Does anybody want to play mini games? Anybody?
No. Another minigames, kid. I won't stand for this. Hey, kid, come here. I'll play minigames. Come here.
Okay, yeah, mini games. What are you?
Oh crap! I missed. Yeah.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Where am I?
Don't worry. You're just in my domain. You know. Well, come here. If you look over to the wall, another one is about to be added to my collection. It's your turn. Come here. Step on the puncher. Do it!
I untied my hand.
Yes, another one added to the collection. And I hope you have a nice night, boys.